Good evening, everyone. Marion the Barbarian here, MTB, whatever you'd like to call me. This is not a shave video. Sorry you got me in the browns. About to get in the shower, and I'm going to do a personal shave today. Sorry, guys. Not getting a shave, not in the mood to do a chat. Long work days. I'm here to let you know I'm going to have to figure out how to do a thumbnail and some pictures, and maybe I'll do an intro with some like slides or something. I don't know. I'm tired. I don't have a ton of time. So, we got an order of Maddie soaps in. We have one unscented, just so you guys know. Looks good. This is batch from week 2, the V2. The V, I guess, is week. You know, they're W in Sweden. We got quite a bit of lemon lime in. So this is not something I have carried before, but we now have it in. Lemon lime is here. Black Ossa Spirit, and lime. I've had some people hit me up. I do have one orange puck left, people. If you want orange, Maddie just didn't have any when he filled this order, and I sold out of everything pretty much in 12 hours last time. So I just told him fill the box with whatever he had left, and this is what he has left. So guys, if you're interested, hit me up. Barbaric Shaving Enterprises. We'll put it right here. Now, on to the JJ Shorties, guys. So this is, he calls them the Barbarian Notch Profile. They're about 1.75, about 2 inches long of cutting area. This is a Paduk scale with a cedar wedge. So I'm just showing some things. I've got more than what I'm showing, but these are the main colors. If you have any questions, like I said, I'll try to take some pictures and I'll do better throughout the week getting more information out. Just wanted to let some people know that had been interested and tired. So this is like a copper bronze look. I like it. And this was experimental. It's got a hidden third pin. So if you'll see that. Sorry, there's a little bit of tape residue that I'll wipe off before I'll make sure I put these back the way they need to be. They're all labeled, and I just want to know what I have, so when I tell people this is what it is, this is what it is. Wrap the labels back up. That's why it's going to be hard to take pictures. I'm going to have to take pictures and not mess up the labels and put everything back. I'm just tired and lazy today, guys. I'm feeling lazy because I'm tired. So this is Sabota Scales Black Walnut Wedge Barbarian Profile Nickel Plated. So we've got nickel plated, guys. Nickel plated is for you beginners that worry about rusting up your straight razors. Whoever you send it to hone it, though, will need to put 2 layers of tape so you don't scratch off the nickel plating. Because if you scratch off nickel plating, it's going to rust where the hone wear would be. So very nice. This is the highest end you can get is with wood scales and nickel plating. That is the most expensive shorty we have. All right. And we don't have any other of those hidden pin ones. So if you are interested in that, hit me up ASAP. Kind of getting washed out in this light. It's weird. It's normally not that bad. So this is just a standard acrylic blue shorty. Very nice. Like I said, we're just kind of giving you a preview, looking at them so I can label them up. All right. So this is... Ha ha ha! This is a vintage razor. Geometry was corrected. Can y'all kind of see along the, right here and at the spine? That's where he had corrected the geometry. And I don't have a price on this one yet. Didn't mean to pull it and show it. I do have some more vintages that he sent. This is one that I invested in, sent to him, I believe, and he cleaned it up and sent it back. So if you are interested in this one, let me know and I'll get a price for you as soon as possible, because I gotta go back to my ledger, how much I paid, how much his cost is. Anyways, just gotta figure it out, you know? And this is metallic black fancy acrylic. You'll see how it shines just a little. Metallic. So here we go, guys. Got quite a few. I think I got like 15 or 16 of these guys. And I've probably got like 12 vintages ready to go that are restored if anybody's interested. Have to look at them and get the prices. I just haven't gotten the prices on these yet, guys. I am so sorry, but the prices on the vintages, they take a little bit more time. I know what these cost. The vintages, I have to look and figure out what was invested and how much I've got invested and all that good stuff. So guys, this is a JJ Shorty strop. Great beginner strop. It is English bridle, made in Scotland. Got the rings and everything. This is great for when you're using a shorty because it's exactly the width of the shorty. Works out really well. If you're interested in these, they are $22. If you buy them with the shorty, I'll make them 17. I know it's an odd number, but he charges 15 British pounds for them, which is like 21.86 US dollars, so 22. And I'll take $5 off if you want to add one with your shorty. All right, guys. So that is it. And hopefully this video doesn't look like trash, because I'm going to try to get it uploaded and go to sleep.